You hugging the tree?
You hugging that tree?
Do you love that tree?
I win! Edwin! Mom, I have some tweezies for you.
What are you doing, Bella?
Picking flowers?
You're picking flowers. Those are beautiful.
These are for my mommy.
Oh, that's so sweet. I bet she'll love them.
But she's picking all the flowers.
Are you picking all the flowers?
Nope.
No, she's not. What
She is. See how many
are you doing,
she's
Gabe?
got?
Is this Gabe or is this a gorilla? Is this a gorilla?
Some
Oh, no.
You like some tweeweed? This is some tweeweed.
Tree leaves? Are you trying to tame the beast?
It's some tweeweed. Mom, here's some tweeweed. I found it on the plant.
What are you doing, Emmy? You rolling around? Rolling around in the grass? Shall we tickle your belly? Ah, tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle.